Good morning friends, it's Rachel and today I'm recreating an Instagram makeup look. It is this look here, something that you guys have requested. It's also the look that I wore in my Star Nanda video, so I thought I should finally do a little YouTube video on it. Excuse the dirty packaging, but this is the Marc Jacobs Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer in the areas that I want to smooth out. Although I am pretty happy with my skin at the moment, I feel like I need to do an updated skincare routine because I just got back from a trip with Ole Henriksen and we went through all the products, and especially one product that I'll talk to you guys about, although you probably know what it is if you watch my Instagram stories. I am feeling a little bit extra today, so I'm going to use my McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. I did a review on this last week, so I will leave a link somewhere if you guys have missed that, but I want to mix it in with my Dior Backstage because I still really like the finish of this product. I am just a big lover of mixing foundations. It's definitely not necessary, so just skip mixing foundation and use your favorite. Stippling and buffing that in with my Real Techniques buffing brush. Alright, let's conceal a little with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I am in medium tan sand. Now to bronze, and this bad boy has become a staple of mine. It is the Tantalize Dewdrops by Marc Jacobs. They're a gel highlighter, but I'm using them just to give a little bit of warmth and radiance to the face. And I'm just layering a tiny amount where I would normally use a bronzer. All right, let's move into eyes, and I'm gonna start off with my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. I use this guy pretty much every video, so if you guys wanna know what my favorite palette is, it's probably this. Gonna go straight over the eye with Peach Tea. Same brush, I'm dipping into Fresh Picked and also Peach Tart, and just creating a little bit of depth from the outer corner into the crease. And under the eye with Peach Tea. All right, let's move into some fun colors. This is the Huda Beauty Neon Orange Obsessions palette. It's so cute. With a fluffy brush into this light orange color, and then I'm gonna sweep that into the crease and just above, kind of creating a halo around all the other shadows we've placed down. And I'm just going back and forth between the two eyes and building up the amount of orange that I want. Smaller brush into that same color. Just gonna add it to the under eye. All right, looking kind of sunny, so I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, maybe just a flat shader brush. And I'm going to take this color. It looks super yellow, but because my skin tone is quite tan, it kind of reads a little bit more orange. Back into my Just Peachy Mattes palette, Peach Tart. I'm just adding a tiny bit to the outer edge because I'm going to add a winged liner after this. And taking it under the eye on the outer edge as well, connecting everything. Okay, time for liner. This is the Mecca Max Wink Ink Super Liquid Liner. I'm gonna do this off camera because my hand's a little bit shaky today. Okay, so there it is, just a small wing just on the outer edge. I think let's move on to some blush. I'm gonna go in with MAC in the shade Peaches. I'm going all the way from the nose up to the cheekbone, so giving it a really big sweep across the cheeks. Just gonna take it across the forehead as well, a tiny bit in the chin, just so that the face is nice and evenly warmed up. Then I'm gonna layer NARS Liberté over the top. You guys have seen me use this a gazillion times. It's definitely my favorite blush. This time just kind of around the nose bridge and under the eye. I think I actually put freckles on the photo. Let me double check. All right, I definitely freckled my face a little, so I'm gonna do that now and then go back over with blush. So this is the lip liner that we don't talk about anymore because sis is scandalous. So I'm using a brown liner. You can use whatever liner you want. And I'm just going to create small freckles across the nose, just using varying pressures. Then just over the top with my blush brush again to sink those into the skin. I should have done that before my blush, but all good. I'm gonna use my creamy highlighter, but I can't find it. I'm gonna spray my face first then. This is the Chill Spray by Urban Decay. All right, back with the Mecca Cosmetica. Oh my God, I'm just gonna leave the name here because it's quite a long name, but it's a duo of blush and highlight. You would have seen it in my last makeup tutorial. Gonna go over my beauty spots as well, as per usual, with precisely my brow. And then just a couple of my sunspots and freckles as well, why not? And then over my brows with the same product. Over the top of my brows with the Mecca Max Wink Ink Super Mascara. Why is everything so dirty? I'm so sorry, my bloody Tarte concealer kind of never closes quite right. It kind of spills product all over my stuff, so my bad. This is the Marc Jacobs primer, mascara primer. I think it's like the Velvet range. Nearly poked my eye out. And then straight over the top with the Velvet Noir. Finally, for lips, we're using Fenty Beauty's Freckle Fiesta. And then I'm gonna go over the top with Saucy, which is a little bit more orange. Just to the center of the lip. All right, that's it. This is the final makeup look. A little fun, sunny, pop of color kind of look. We love a pop of color around here. Let me know if you liked it and also what you want to see next. I've already kind of planned in my head a Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial. I'm thinking Maddie because she's my favorite character, but let me know who your favorite character is below. Either Maddie or Fez are my favorite characters, but obviously not doing a Fez tutorial. Are we? No. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and until my next video. Oh, turn on that bell, the notification bell, because a bunch of you guys let me know that you're not seeing my content, which sucks. So if you don't want to miss a video, turn on the notification bell. She sounds like a YouTuber now. And until my next video, thank you guys again for all the love and support. I love you all, and I will see you next time. Mwah.
Yeah.